Here we'll write a Python program to accept a number using Tkinter widgets and check whether number is odd or even and display appropriate message with Messagebox. So first in comment line we'll write first we'll import Tkinter as Tk. Then we'll import Messagebox from Tkinter class. So from Tkinter import Messagebox. Then we'll add root window. So root equal to tk.tk and we'll set the geometry for the root window as width and height. So root equal to tk.geometry. Then we'll add label and entry widget on this root window. So first we'll add label as L number equal to tk.label. For root window, text will be enter number, font will be Arial. Then we'll add entry widget as T number equal to tk.entry. For root window, background color will be yellow, font will be Arial. And we'll add one button. So B1 equal to tk.button. For root window, text will be display, font will be Arial, and command. Here we will call the function check number. Then we'll add this label and entry widget to root window with grid. So L number dot grid, column will be 0, row will be 1, pad x equal to 10 and pad y equal to 10. Then we'll add T number as grid, column will be 1, row will be 1, pad x equal to 10 and pad y equal to 10. Then we'll add button. So B1 dot grid, column will be 1, row will be 2, pad x equal to 10, pad y equal to 10, and we'll add root dot main loop. Then we'll write the function check number. So def chk number. First we'll store the entry widget value to a variable. So num equal to, here we'll convert it to integer. So int T number dot get, and we'll check whether number is odd or even using if statement. So if num mod 2 equal to 0, we'll store the message as message equal to number plus num is even. Since the number is integer, we have to convert it to string as strnum. Since we are displaying the number with two strings, we have to convert it to string. Else we will set message as number plus str of num is odd. And then we'll use Messagebox function. So Messagebox show info, we'll give the title as number information and we'll print message. Here we'll give root dot geometry. I will increase the width of the root window as 400 into 400 and I will execute. I will give the number 5 and click on display button. It will display number 5 is odd. If I give 6 and I click on display, it will print number 6 is even. That is here. First we have imported the Tkinter as Tk. Then we have imported the Messagebox from Tkinter. We have added label and entry widget for accepting the number and one button, and we have written a function check number in which we are checking number is odd or even, and we will call this function on the command button for button.